So I'm going to show you how to join Grammarly's affiliate program. Now it's a really good affiliate program because you can actually get cash for just referring people. And all you need to do is you need to type in Grammarly affiliate sign up like so. And you basically just go to their website and click on the become an affiliate option. Now if you don't have an account, you click on the apply now option. You can see right here. And once you do this, you can click on the sign up. It's basically through this website application called impact.com. A lot of places actually use this to actually verify your affiliate info. It's basically just an approval process, so it makes sure that you're a legitimate person and you're actually not promoting them in a bad manner that they did not want you to actually promote them. So I'm just going to sign up with my email, and you basically just want to enter in your info here. You can see it saves all your info. It's blurred for the reasons because I don't want to share my info, but you can basically see if you do use impact.com as when signing up for some affiliates, it will basically save your info so you can sign up for this really fast. And then you click on the get started option. You want to enter in the verification code from your phone, and you can basically select the reason that you actually want to promote them for. In this case, I'm promoting for search, so I'm just going to select that option, but you want to select the one that's closest to it, and you can basically add any website or social sites just on this page like so. In this case, I'm going to click on add social, and since I'm promoting on YouTube, I'm going to click on YouTube, and you basically want to sign in to your account right here. Now you can sign into whatever account you want to promote it on, or multiple if you want to put on multiple. And you can see right here, once you've actually linked all the accounts you would like, you just need to basically choose if you're an individual or if it's a company that you're actually signing up for your affiliate for. And once you do that, enter in your address, your mailing information, and just your website, which you have to actually be an affiliate. You want to click the submit option at the bottom of the screen right here and click on OK. You can see right here, once you click submit, it'll basically take you on to this dashboard like so. This is the dashboard here. You can see all the commissions. You can actually find your link just on this dashboard. And if you do want to copy any of your links once you've been accepted into the program or signed up, not all of them have to accept you into the program, like Shopify, for example, but you just go on to the impact.com website and you can go down to assets under content up here, where you can basically see on this left-hand side of the screen, you can choose your category, which one you actually want to get the affiliate for, but you basically select that one and then you can click on the link. You can see there's over 70 affiliate links. These are all different discount codes. Some of them expire, some of them don't. I personally would go for the evergreen discount with one right here, and you basically just click on it and you go to the tracking link and you can copy the link right here, and anyone who signs up with this link just on helium.com or whatever website you're trying to use, you can basically just get your money and you can actually view that earning just on this application like so. And yeah, it makes it really easy on impact.com. Found this helpful. Consider liking and subscribing down below.